It's totally Gucci, right? Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So I went to do a bit of shopping because summer has ended. Maybe we will have an occasional nice warm day, but fall is, at least weather-wise, officially here. I'm on my way to H&M. They have a lot of new stuff, so let's see what's happening there. And my hubby is actually driving my car today. Hello. No tongue. Wow, you're improving. My hubby is a typical guy in that respect. He definitely hates shopping, but he needed to get some of the things for his work on the upper floor, so he actually came along, and I went to one store and he went to another. This is how we usually do our shopping. He usually doesn't go into stores with me. This is the outfit I'm wearing today. I have a Patu jacket. This is a combination I bought during the summer with the skirt as well. Then I have new Zara jeans that I'm going to show you later on in the video. Manolo Blahnik shoes and Manier de Roi little bag. And this little bag has held out really good, even though it is not real leather and it's very kind of dainty made. But it actually, the quality of that surprised me. It's still going strong. If you haven't seen the Manier de Roi haul, go watch this video there. And now I'm gonna take you to some shops. So let's go to H&M first. I saw this jacket and trousers on the webpage and I wanted to try it on, and also this bag. Now, the lighting in H&M is really weird because the bag actually is brown, but under certain light it looks like olive green. So if you are on the market for this kind of colors, brown to green, this bag is perfect. But I actually needed like a proper brown bag for just some photo shoots, so I didn't want to take my own. That bag sadly didn't work for my purpose, but it was a kind of cute little bag. Now the jacket and trousers. The jacket is size S, and even though it is meant to be a bit oversized and it's meant to be worn over thick sweaters, the fit in the shoulders and in the sleeves is just so bad. Even with really thick sweater underneath, that on my body type will not look good. It was very thin, meaning that you can actually wear it only over thick sweaters when it's not too cold. It's the type of garment that you would wear if you could just go out in sweater, but you want to put something over it to look kind of nicer. Now the trousers I like. The only problem with them I had was, even though they were again too big, because this is size 36, which is my size, and you can see how much room I still have in the waist there. But it's okay, they fit nicely. But the problem is that the fabric it feels kind of like satin, let's say, like matte satin, and this is very delicate. And I was intending to wear these trousers with trainers, and because they are slightly too long, I would have to shorten them as well. And I wasn't sure if this will work the way I wanted it to wear, because it looked like I might have to have heels with it. I'm pretty sure the first time I would wear these trousers with a stiletto heel, I would have holes in it, that's for sure. So I didn't get this combination. I did find one top that I really like. It's kind of similar that I have from Zara, but Zara one is shorter, this one is longer. I bought it because I think it's a very nice addition for this kind of combination when you have nice trousers and then you want something more than just like, tank top or a t-shirt to combine with it. And there's a zipper on the side, and also the straps are adjustable, which is very good. Then I went to Zara. I was on the hunt for a white coat, and that is proving to be a mission impossible because I have found 3 or 4 really nice white coats, but they are really like high designer brands that are like in thousands of euros, and this is the money I'm not prepared to pay for a coat. I have my, upper price, how much I will pay, so I'm still looking for it. I want like proper fitted coat that is from good quality material that doesn't have a lot of embellishment, so I can actually combine it with my jewelry and shoes and bags and things like that. I am still looking, and when I found that coat, I will definitely let you know about it, because it's proving not to be an easy task, to be honest, to find a coat, the specific one I want. But my trip to Zara was not in vain, because I actually found a few cool things. First, I'm going to show you this combination. Now this just screams Chanel. I did a little alteration. I actually changed buttons. You can see it here from the store. The buttons are like really gold, heavy gold and black. And even though I didn't mind the buttons on the jacket as much, but I want to wear this with silver as well, and these buttons will really clash. So I wanted to put something that it's still like black and a little bit of gold, but not so much gold in your face. So I have these really cool black and gold buttons from another garment, and I changed the jacket in a way that I switched the 3 buttons that were originally there. Then I put 2 additional buttons on the flaps of the pockets, and these are actual real pockets. They are not faux pockets, so you can actually put your hand in there, which is perfect. And another one on the skirt. As you can see, this looks like a mini skirt, but it's actually skirt. And it's just the variety of these 2 items. The way you can wear this is just practically endless. I'm showing you here just a few ideas, just a few things that I kind of figured out the second I brought these items home and changed the buttons. But you can play around a lot. You can wear it obviously together, separately. It will just go with so many things. Write me in the comments from which film in the 90s is this look. If you know the film, you're gonna know instantly which which film I'm talking about. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna know because it was a huge deal in the 90s, that film. And this look is actually coming back. We are wearing this kind of combination now again, socks with sandals. And you know, it makes me feel like I'm in high school again. So this is one of the good things of fashion going in circles, because I feel like I'm 17 again and I'm trying on little socks to put with my little sandals. This is, if you're gonna, you know, this is current collection. I'm gonna link it below, but keep it in mind that Zara doesn't have the same items all over the world. So if it's not in your local store yet, check the online page in your country. And if it's not there yet, just wait a few weeks. I'm sure it's gonna come. Because I remember one time I saw a jacket in Cannes, but it was just too bulky for me to carry it back. At that time, I was actually not driving. So I said, okay, I'm gonna just get it when it comes to Slovenia. And I think it came like a year later. And then also I saw items in Slovenia store that were not, let's say, in Italian Zara, but I would see them there like the next year. So I'm pretty sure the item circle, just, you know, if you really like it and you really want it, just give it time. I'm sure it's going to come to you. Then I found this blouse. I'm really a big fan of see-through items if they are worn correctly. I always try to dumb them down because obviously they are very like gala night look. And I want to wear this to work. I want to wear this during the day because this is most of my life is during the day. I don't go to events every night. So to me, it doesn't make sense to buy items that I can only wear like at 2 o'clock in the morning. So I always try to find a different combination how to actually wear this shirt. And even though it's completely see-through and it has this satin bow at the top and at the bottom of the sleeve, so it's very dressy. But if you put, like for the night time, of course, I'm going to put like a nice bra underneath and that's it. But during the day, you can have like either a tank top underneath, a sleeveless shirt or body or whatever, just to kind of cover this front area. And it will just look amazing with the arms showing. And I think this shirt is so great. It's totally Gucci, right? These 2 bags are just so great. They are really looking like Gucci because of the handle. I love the colors. I wish they would be a few centimeters smaller because for this kind of style, I think they're slightly too big. But you know, I have been using them for about 2 months now and the colors are just amazing. And they, my darlings, are Guess by Marziano. I found them during summertime when I went to Vienna. Everything else was on sale. This wasn't because it was new collection. But again, I didn't want to carry this throughout the city while I'm doing sightseeing, so I just ordered it online after I got back home. And I couldn't decide which color, and they actually had a promotion. Guess sometimes will have like 20% off for a new customer, something like that. So, you know, just change your profile, change the address or something, and then you can use the voucher for 20 off. These are a combination of leather and imitation leather, and they are really, really beautiful. All the bags have like really thick strap, which I did use like once, but because the bag is a bit bulky, I just use it like this. I carry it like this. And that's the reason why I wanted it to be slightly smaller, because then I could actually wear it crossbody with this strap, which is a nice strap. But on my body type, this bag, it's just too big to be worn crossbody. So I'm just carrying it like this. It's like one big compartment in there and a little pocket at the back. So it's very spacious, very roomy. You can obviously put a lot of things in there. But to me, the main reason why I love this bag was the handle and the colors. And because this is Guess by Marziano, which is like a higher level of Guess, they actually come with really lovely dust bags. It feels like silk. It's not, but it feels like silk. And, you know, this is kind of little touches where you can see where your money goes. Kind of. Okay, so it's time to go to work. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for spending your time with me. And of course, don't forget, please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ask me whatever you want to know about things that I'm talking about in this video below in the comments, because your likes and your interactions actually helps my channel to spread and grow. And then I can continue to create hopefully interesting topics for you guys. So have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.